Zero waste living is all about making mindful choices to reduce the amount of trash we create. By rethinking how we consume and dispose of resources, we can help conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and support a healthier planet. Every small change matters, and together, we can build a more sustainable future. Let's break down the 5 R's of zero waste living. First, refuse. Say no to single-use items like plastic straws, bags, and bottles, and choose sustainable alternatives. Second, reduce. Buy only what you truly need and focus on quality over quantity. Third, reuse. Get creative and find new ways to use items before throwing them away. Fourth, recycle. Always sort your waste correctly and follow local recycling guidelines. But remember, recycling comes after refusing, reducing, and reusing. Finally, rot. Compost your kitchen scraps and yard waste to create nutrient-rich soil and reduce landfill waste. By embracing the 5 R's, refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot, you can make a real impact in your community and for the environment. Every step counts toward a greener, healthier world.